Good day, ladies and gents. Good day, each and every one of you guys. I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. And for those who are still new, guys, please do yourself a favor by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content, guys. Today's video, guys, I will be focusing on your computerized financial system info, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to process your cash payment journal, guys, your CRJ. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let me go to the question paper first. Like I've said, guys, when you need to process your cash payment journal, guys, there are a few things you need to be aware of. One is your check payment, guys. Number two, you need to check because some checks will refer you to your suppliers invoices, guys, so it's very important for you to have the correct suppliers invoices, guys. Remember, when you're writing your test, guys, you'll have your suppliers invoices on your desk, guys, because you have printed them, guys. So it's gonna be very simple for you to refer to your suppliers invoices, guys. Okay, another thing you need to be aware of, guys, you need to check also your bank statement. But okay, before we even go to your bank statement, guys, one thing I can do for now, let's process our checks payment, guys, first. Then after, when we're done with our checks payment, we'll go to your bank statement. Then I'll show you which amount you should look for, guys, on your bank statement. Okay, let's go to the system, guys. Sage 50 Cent Pastel Partner, guys. As you can see, I'm still under the company I was working under, which is your Offstart Stationer, guys. Remember, we need to process your cash payment journal, guys. You go to process cash book, process cash book, guys. Okay, for this one you can click no. Okay, let's wait for the system to process, guys. Okay, like I've told you guys, when you get to your cash book, guys, you have a payment, which is the orange one, guys. But if we were processing your cash receipt journal, guys, we were supposed to use the blue one. The screen was supposed to be blue, but since we're processing your cash payment journal, guys, this screen is supposed to be orange. It's fine. Okay, remember, we're processing what? Your journal, guys. You need to go to your what? To your settings first. Okay, under your setting, guys, remember, you might find that the text is not activated, guys. That's why before you can even process your journal, you need to go to your settings, and under settings, activate your text, guys. Then default, for now I can click standard rate, which is 14%, but on your, guys, it will be updated. It's gonna say 15%. Another thing, guys, you need to be aware of, just go to your question paper and check which period you're working under. As you can see, we're working under period what? 1. Then change your period, guys. Here, period 1. Okay, it's fine. Then the first, let's go to your question paper. The first check payment, it was on the 1st 07/2018 to mail daily for cupcake for staff, guys. But some account, guys, they are not, you can't find an account called cupcake for staff, guys. But this can also fall under your refreshments, guys. But anyway, let me show you how to record this one. Okay, under your checks, guys, this is the date and this is your reference, guys. This is what you need to use when recording this check. This is the reference. 107 is the reference, guys, of check, the check on the 1st 07/2018, guys. Where do you record that one? Let's process the first check, guys, then you can be able to see what I'm talking about. Okay, the first check is on, it was on the 1st 07/2018, guys. And I select my tab. Okay, cool. Still under G just because of the general ledger account, guys. But like I've said, we do not have a cupcake staff account, guys, but you can record this under your refreshment, guys. But bear in mind, if you do not have reference under your system, guys, that means you need to create one from scratch. Like I've told you guys, if you need to create an account, let's say refreshments is an expense, guys, you go on your last expenses, guys. This is where I'm at. This is my last expense, guys. Then if let's say I was supposed to create reference refreshments, sorry, then the next code was gonna say 4,700, guys. Then I write refreshments, link it under expenses, guys. But let me check whether I do have it. Okay, cool, I do have it. As you can see, I do have refreshments, guys. Okay, let's go check for the reference. The reference is 107, and I press tab. Here you can write what cupcakes for what, for staff, guys. Still fine, staff. Or you can write meet daily, guys. Still the same thing, it's fine. Okay, then the check amount is what, is 500, guys. Okay, remember, oh, last thing, guys, when we are processing your settings, guys, please click exclusive. I repeat, the first thing you need to do is to click process cache books, process cache book. Then you come here, you go to your settings, you activate your text, but click exclusive. Exclusive, guys, it means this amount, guys, exclude text. They don't have text, there's all this amount, guys. So that's why we need to click exclusive, guys. Then we can be able to record under bank exclusive. Then the system, as soon as you press tab, it will calculate text on your behalf, guys. As you can see, a text is how much, is 70 rand, guys. Okay, it's fine. Process the next check. The period is still okay. Follow according to your date, guys. As you can see, there's a first, this one on 4/07/2018, 04/07/2018. Okay, the account name is for what, municipality, for what, for vehicle licensing. Okay, this one, it can you can record this under your vehicle at cost, guys, because we paying for what, for vehicle licensing to what, municipality, guys, Russian municipality, right? Vehicle at cost, motor vehicle cost, motor vehicle expenses. Okay, cool, still fine. Okay, let's check. Okay, it doesn't allow me to record, but motor, but this is a motor vehicle at cost, guys. But I don't know why it doesn't allow me to record under motor vehicle expenses, because this one is for petrol, maintenance, insurance and licensing. Still fine, just because we're paying for what, for vehicle licensing, guys. This for, let's see, the name of the municipality is what, Russian municipality. I can just copy this one and paste that here. Delete this one. Cut this one. Sharp. And I press my tab. The amount of how much, of 3,356.78 cents is 3,356.78 cents. 78 cents. Okay, the tax is calculated on our behalf, guys. Don't worry about that one. Okay. Okay, I'm going to the next check. The 107/07/2018 is for 2 Campbell properties for monthly rent. and the owner took 10,150. Guys, when you get a check of this kind, where you get a check and the check has two amounts, guys, it means this check will affect two accounts. The first account, guys, that will affect is for what? Is for your rent income or rent expenses. Fine. That's because payment from Campbell Properties, guys, they paid 32,323.23 for monthly rent, and the owner also took 10,150, guys. For what? You know, if the owner of a child of the owner took money from the business, guys, that's drawings. If you get a check, guys, I repeat, if you get a check and the check has two amounts, just know that check will affect two accounts, guys. The one on the 7/07/2018, we have an account for rent, the other account is for drawings, guys. The amount for drawings is 10,150. For rent is 32,323.23, guys. I hope I'm very clear. I'm making myself very clear, guys. So, but a check with two amounts will affect two accounts, guys. Okay, let's process this one and show you. 07/07/2018, guys. Tab. Okay. I'll start with the one for rent, guys. Rent paid of how much? Okay, the reference, guys, will be the same. It's for what? It's from this one is for Campbell. Okay, let me check the spelling for Campbell with correct. Campbell. Proper cheese. Amount how much? 32,300 and what? 32,323, 323, 23 cents, I think. Yes, sure. Okay. Then you press check. Remember, these checks have the same date, guys, and they also have the same reference, guys. But the description will, or the account are not the same, and also the what? The description, guys. It's up to you what to write. Okay, cool. I'm looking for what? Drawings. Do I have drawings? Okay. Let's check drawings. But like I've said in my previous video, guys, if you can find the account and description is written drawings, use shareholders, directors, members logo. It's also drawings, but the reference is 109. Then here I can write what? Drawings. Of what? Of how much? 10,150. Cool. I'm done this check one or the 7, guys. I'm posting to this one on the 15th. This one, guys, I want you to pay attention to this one. Like I've already given you notes, guys. If you can be able to do the one on the 15th, you also be able to do one on the 24 and on 25, guys. So, like I've said to my previous videos, guys, I won't do everything. That's because some checks, guys, are very simple to process, guys. You just take what you have on your question paper and record on your system, guys. It's very simple. So, guys, on this lesson, guys, I'm ending on the one on the 15th. Then I'll go to your bank statement and show you which amounts you need to record, guys. I'm very clear because the one on the 15th, 24, 25 are the same, guys. You have a check and you need to settle the account, guys. As you can see, we do not have the amount of the check, guys. What you need to do, guys, you check the supplier's invoice of that supplier, whether we do have returns, guys, whether they do qualify for an additional terms discount, guys. An additional discount, guys, because we have two discounts. The one is trade discount and the one is for early term discount, guys. So when you do this, guys, never mind the trade discount, or only focus to your early term discount, but only if they do qualify. Okay, let's process the one on the 15/07/2018, guys. The one on the 15/07/2018, guys, is coming from Campbell Wholesalers. This is the invoice, guys. Campbell Wholesalers, as you can see. Like I said, when you need to process this, guys, just go to the all suppliers invoices. We do have it, guys. One, you need to check Q1. This is the amount to be working with, guys. We have two discounts. We have this one, 10%. This one is a trade discount, guys. Is already included in this amount, so never mind this discount. But pay attention to early terms discount. They said we're gonna give Campbell Wholesalers 10% within 15 days from period. Campbell Wholesalers, guys, is gonna give us yes, gonna give us 10% discount if we pay within 15 days from the purchase. Some will ask me, when did the purchase? Okay, we made the purchase on the 07, on the 7, guys. That's where we made the purchase. And when did we pay it? We paid on the what? On the 15th. We made a purchase from Campbell Wholesalers, then we paid on the 15th, guys. Like I said, when you check the invoice, the discount, then you check whether we do have the return for this supplier's invoice, guys. How are you gonna get? How you gonna know whether you do have returns, guys? It's very simple. Just go to your paper under your supplier's invoice, guys. Show you some supplier's invoice, guys. These are the returns. As you can see, guys, we do not have returns for Campbell Wholesalers, guys. That means we're not gonna stress much about returns. Let's go back. Okay. Campbell Wholesalers doesn't have what? A return, guys. Okay, you're gonna take this amount, guys, 3,546.16 but check the L-term discount. We made a purchase on the 7. Count the 7 to the 15 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, we paid within 10 days, guys. Within 15 days, sorry. We paid within 15 days. Just because from the 7 to the 15 is 8 days, guys. They said if we pay within 15 days, we're gonna get a 10% discount. Okay, let's go to the system. I'll show you guys how to do this. It's very easy. Don't stress about this one. It's very easy. Like I've said, we're gonna work with the amount of how much? 547. So 3,547.16 cents. Ne? Times what? Times 10%, guys. Divide by 100. The 10% discount, this is a discount, guys. You can write the discount, this is somewhere on a question paper, just because you also need to record it, guys. The discount is how much? Is 354, comma, you can round off, comma 72. Then this amount, guys, okay, is 354.72 minus 3,547.16, guys. We need to check out the discount, guys. Just because we got an additional discount, just because we paid within the terms agreed, guys. So on your system, guys, remember it's only 15, right? Sorry, 15 or 15, sorry, 15/07 2018. Tab. We're now processing your suppliers, guys. Select C, and we're looking forward for cable wholesalers. Thanks to each and every one of you guys who have subscribed to the channel. Cool for helping me to grow the channel, guys. Okay, tab. Okay, check the reference whether it is correct. Okay, the 10 is fine. Then this one is settlement. Okay, settlement of account. Sorry. Of account. The amount of what? 3,193,44 cents. 44 cents, guys. Okay, the discount you click O1, guys, you need to also record the discount of 354,72, guys. I hope. Okay, guys, my system doesn't allow me to activate text under suppliers. I don't know why, but yours will say 01, then you have two different amounts. That's because this one is including text, guys. Like I've said, guys, I repeat. When you have a check of this kind, you check the supplier's invoices whether you do have the returns. If you do have the returns, guys, if let's say for example, as you can see, this is 3,547,16 cents. If let's say we have the returns, let's say the returns were a trend rate, you are gonna minus the trend rate from 3,547,16 cents. Then we also qualify for discount, guys. You have minus the trend rate for the returns, the amount you left with, you calculate 10% discount. The discount you minus from the amount you have, guys. Then the amount you left with after minusing the discount, you're gonna record it under bank exclusive. Then the discount of 10% you record it under discount, guys. But if we had returns, for this case we didn't have returns. I took this amount times 10% discount just because we qualify, guys, and I got 354,72, guys. I did round off. This is a discount, guys. Then this amount minus 3,547,16 cents, guys. I was left with 3,193,44 cents, guys. Okay, proceeding to the next check, guys. Okay, like I've said, guys, I'm not gonna process all the check, guys. Right now I'm going to your bank statement, show you which amount you need to record, guys, under your bank statement. Under your bank statement, guys, each and every amount that has a minus at the end, it means those amounts will have to be recorded under your cash payment journal, guys. Check 108, we do have check 108. Remember, this amount reflects to our bank statement. And if under check 108 you have a different amount, guys, than this one, record the difference, guys. Let's go to check number 108. As you can see, we have 3,358,78 cents. But under our bank statement, guys, we have 3,456,78 cents, guys. How to record this, guys? Check the date. Okay, 06. Okay, is what is a G account? G account. What did we use here? Is for what? It's for motor vehicle licensing, guys. Yeah, sure. But you only recording the difference, guys. The difference only. The reference needs to stay the same, and the description needs to stay the same. Quality. Okay. Open your calculator, guys. It's 3,358,78 minus what? The one on the statement is how much? 3,456.78 cents. Okay, we have an amount of what? 98 rand. Sure. Okay, we did a good difference, guys, for that one. Then service fee. Service fee, guys, you record it the one on 8/07/2018, guys. Okay. 08. This falls under your bank charges, guys. Bank charges of what? Service fee. Okay, the reference. Okay, cool. Service fee is fine. There's no reference, guys. Of what? 23 rand. 23,45 cents, guys. Okay, I'll tell you guys. Check 107. Don't record it just because you have the correct amount. Transfer. Just go to your. Okay, I'll do the transfer right now. Transfer from what? From Capitec and an account of investment at Capitec 10.5% guys per annum. Okay, if you don't have the account, you need to create it, guys. Okay, let me press tab. Okay, date. The date is on the 15 07 2018. Let's check this what? 7,001 50 150. Okay, interest. Okay, whatever. So what's for Capitec, guys? Okay, cool stuff like Capitec. Then amount of how much? 25,000. That's how you record it, guys. Then the rest just need to record it under admin fees for bank charges, cash handling fees for bank charges, tax levies for bank charges, interest, guys. This interest on the what? On the investment, guys. Okay, I'm done with today's videos, guys. I hope it was very helpful, guys. I thank you for very much. Sorry for responding and posting this video very late, guys. Good luck with your exam. I'm out.